Hello everyone, welcome to watch Igingle video. I'm Mandy.
I'm Sarah.
Hey Sarah.
Yes?
Some of my customers, they start their own business, so they order polymailers from Igingle, and now they ask me what do they need for their inner packaging.
Yeah, that's right. Speaking of this, our website, in order to meet our customers' needs, so we have developed lots of, I can say more, some different kinds of packing bags, especially for the inner bags.
Today we're going to introduce 5 products. 5 inner bags.
So show us.
The first one, plastic zipper bag.
Yes, this is the kind of zipper plastic bags. I love it. And we have different size of it. If we have the smaller size, we usually pack some tiny things like
maybe my cosmetics,
yes,
lipstick.
Yes,
right?
you can see we have the example. We can put it in and close it. And if we have the tiny ones, we usually pack some clothes like down jacket. Yes, we can, or some more big clothes.
I see.
Yes, but it has. Speaking of this, we have 2 different kinds of.
Oh, you mean this one?
Yes, you can see.
What's the difference?
It is clear. Yes, and this one is frosted.
Frosted,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Okay, I see.
They have.
What is MOQ?
Both of the 2 zipper bags, the MOQ is 100.
Oh,
yes.
I know this. Now let's introduce second one, OPP bags.
Speaking of this, I love it because I think
Why?
it is. Yes, I think it is really nice. It is clear.
Oh.
Yes, but it has it's light, but the disadvantage, I think you can touch it is solid. Yes, and you can. Okay, can.
Oh, it is easy to be destroyed.
Yes, and it is so elastic. So if we put if we use this kind of bags, it may be destroyed during the delivery.
Oh, I see. But some customers, they just like this kind of bag. By the way, can we print logo on it?
Of course, actually we can accept customer logo on the OPP clear bags. You can see this example.
Oh, this side.
Yes, sorry.
Can you see this?
Yes, you can see we can print logo on it.
Okay, now let's introduce the third one.
So what's the next one?
Clothes zipper bag.
I love it too. Yes, it's solid and it's inquisitive. We can, for most of our young ladies, we can usually put our cosmetic products in it, especially when we are traveling. Yes, when we are traveling. Yes, during the traveling, I think it is very convenient for most of.
Yes, I have several bags. I think it's more practical than plastic zipper bag.
Yes,
and it's very firm. Okay, next one. It's okay. Let's see this dust bag.
Yes, this is a kind of dust bag. So do you know where we usually pack this thing?
Tell me.
It is a dust bag that we usually pack our bags or suitcase. Let me show you.
Oh, this is your bag.
Yes, this is my bag, and
I love
we
it.
usually pack these things in it, and then pull it up. Yes, pull it.
Oh, it's very convenient.
Yes, it can increase the products of the level of the products, and so it can make the things more exquisite.
So, if I buy a luggage and the seller gave me a pouch like this, I would make good use of it because it can hold a lot of things. You can see. I won't throw it away because maybe I can use it for, several years. I don't know.
Yes, more than that, we usually offer our tissue paper.
Oh, what? Tissue paper?
Yes, we can.
You mean we can print logo on it?
Of course, this is a tissue paper, and we can custom a logo. Yes.
Oh, it's so huge. Let's cover it.
Yes, it's a kind of tissue paper. Yes, we can do this. And we have different kinds of color of this tissue paper, and yes, and we accept customer logo. Especially we always, if our customers buy the tissue paper, we always recommend them to attach a sticker. Yes,
a sticker.
Yes, you know the sticker.
Oh, that's very thoughtful.
Yes, a sticker, and with the tissue paper, it can make the things more solid. Yes.
Yes, if we don't glue the sticker on the tissue paper, it may not wrap neatly.
Yes, but that's not enough, you know.
Still not enough?
Yes.
What's more?
We not only have the tissue paper or the sticker, and we also have the thank you card. Do you know the thank you card?
Yes.
And this is a thank you card. We can print our customer logo on it, and we can also handwrite our wishes inside. Yes. What do you think if your customer or if you buy lots of things and your buyer and your buyers pack the whole things on the bag, and if you received, what we're gonna you say?
If I received this, I would be very touched, and I think this thank you card must be handwritten and not printed.
Yes, yes. You know, we also can also use the handwriting to write the wishes.
And when your customer reads this thank you card and open his inner packaging and he saw, sticker and tissue paper, he would be very touched.
Yes, and especially for our young people today, we usually, if we receive a more exquisite express, we usually take a picture and send it to our social media and share it to our social media.
Yes, of course, I will do that too.
Who's Mandy?
Oh, here.
Your express.
Oh, thank you.
Wow,
What's this?
Your present.
Maybe we can see it together.
Scissors.
Oh. Okay, let's tear it open. Oh, let me use this scissor.
Yes.
Be careful.
Okay. Wow, a beautiful present.
You can see a sticker and the tissue paper.
Yes, you can see this is the sticker and this is the tissue paper that I mentioned before.
Yes.
You can tear the sticker.
Let's tear the sticker.
Yes, tear the sticker. I think it's really good. I love it, and I love this kind of packing. You know.
Wow.
Wow, a beautiful box.
What is this? We can see this is a box. Let's see what's in it. Oh.
Again.
Oh, this is a card.
Yes, it's a thank you card.
We can see the company logo is on it, and let's see what's in it. Dear Mandy, happy birthday. As long as you are always by my side, other thing no longer important. Oh, this is from my boyfriend.
Wow, your birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Yes.
And what's in
What's
it?
in that? So what's your birthday present? Wow, so many lipsticks.
So many lipsticks.
I'm gonna
love it.
envy you.
Oh, I'm gonna take my phone and take a picture and post it on my Instagram.
Yes. So all the above things that we mentioned before, our Igingle can support all the things, and our Igingle support automatic pricing and payment.
Oh, that's wonderful. So, are you still thinking about how to enhance your brand value?
Yes, and if you have any questions about the packing problem, you can contact me.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.